Hola, Farmsteaders.
Hola.
We are Mac.
And Jose.
And we are the Yooper Farmstead.
Yep.
All right, today I want to talk about why Jose spent the last week in the doghouse.
I think we love working outside when it's cold.
We do love working outside when it's cold. Well, the truth is, I was also in the doghouse. Sunday night, my dad sent us a message from Facebook Marketplace showing us an ad for a free building teardown. And it turned out the building was an old dog kennel. We are here taking it apart.
Yep.
I have estimated it's going to be a 3-day project. But look at it, it's got nice, this is thick metal roofing. Right here. Yeah, it's super thick. And it's just great, some great wood, some great boards. If we can get it apart, I think it's going to be amazing.
Yeah.
The only problem is it's really snowy. The truck is parked way at the top of this hill, so everything gets walked up. I wonder if they were raising sled dogs here, because maybe we could borrow a few. Help us get the stuff up the hill. Jose, what did we do day one?
Day one, we was a little lost in the morning.
We were a little lost. Oh yeah, we did get lost. What GPS took us down, and I should have looked at the address before we went, but it took us down an old back road that wasn't even plowed, and we had the truck and the trailer. Not pretty.
No.
Not pretty. I'm not real confident with the trailer yet. Day one in the books of the teardown on the doghouse. Big doghouse. I think we're doing a pretty good job.
Yeah.
So we got all the metal fencing removed off of it today, which was a huge project. Best tool for this project, fencing tool. I don't know if that's its official name, but it is for fencing, and it's amazing for removing these little fencing nails or tacks or fencing staples. It's perfect for removing these fencing staples. We also found this really cool nest. Jose did. I say we like I helped, but I didn't. But this is a really cool nest. It's got these parts. It's like a squirrel has been in here, but it has acorn shells in here. It's pretty cool. It's really heavy, made out of like a mud.
Or maybe bubble.
Or maybe dog poop, because there's a lot of that in here.
Yeah.
We got the inside boxes taken out, and that was a big project. Oh wow, you got a lot done in here.
Yeah.
This is where the whelping boxes were. Yeah, but look, the building's really nice inside. Look at that. Some nice wood. It's just like this small building, and then they built these sides off of it on each side for the dogs. So, all right, back to work, Jose. And we got some of the exterior wood taken down.
For tomorrow, maybe a little more easy.
Yeah, I think tomorrow now it's bigger stuff. Today it was like little nails constantly. That was day number one. Jose, what did we do on day number 2? Jose, are you home? Did you
Sleeping.
Did you sleep here last night?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Nice. So day number 2 on the teardown project of the doghouse, the really big doghouse. You know what I was thinking about last night is it's going to be so nice that you have a big doghouse at the house. So when you do things that get you in trouble, you can sleep in the doghouse.
Okay.
And it'll be pretty comfortable.
Okay,
Don't
thank you.
think?
That's a good idea. We started moving all board.
Yeah, we started removing the boards from the outside. We cleaned, the inside had a lot of trash in it.
Yeah.
And the agreement was we would remove what was in the house. Oh, that's right, on day 1. What did you find inside that was really interesting?
Interesting and really heavy.
Really heavy. Jose came out of the building and he said to me, "Do we keep everything that's in here?" And I said, "Yeah." And he goes, "'Cause there's some really heavy rock in here." I said, "What?" So I went and took a look, he pulled out 3 big pieces of slate that were for a pool table. So we have randomly now 3 pieces of pool table slate. If you're interested, we'll sell it to you.
Yeah.
Good. We'll give you a good deal.
It's not free, okay?
It's not free. Nope. So we cleaned out all the trash that was inside. I bagged it all up. We started removing the outer boards. The nice thing was there was power in the building, so we were able to use all of our power tools on day number 1 and day number 2 to remove the screws.
Yeah, more easy.
Yeah, which saved us a ton of time and energy.
Yeah.
Who called us at 10 a.m. to come out and help?
Hey, somebody wants coffee? No, my father-in-law. Yeah.
So we had to bring in reinforcements. Who is it that's on the job site today? Oh yeah, he's very proud of himself. This is my father, Gary.
Don't cut it out of the
Oh, I'm cutting this out. This ain't gonna be in there.
No.
This ain't gonna be in there. We ain't putting you in the footage.
We want aim for 2 seconds on the video and you cut.
We want people to think Jose and I work really hard and fast. Not that we get help. Anyway, we brought in reinforcements, but we are cranking today. It is 1 o'clock and we're about to take the roofing off.
It's early.
Yeah, it is early. So, all right, back to work. No more shenanigans.
No.
What was the most important thing, Jose, that you got done on Tuesday?
Put it down roof.
Yeah, taking off the roof. I knew if we wanted to get done by Wednesday, we had to get the roof off on Tuesday.
Yep.
Jose and I worked pretty late. The problem was the roof was covered in snow and ice. We probably should have figured out a way to warm it up and remove that. Because not only is the metal heavy, it was even heavier when the snow and ice were on it. And I had to haul those up the hill. Thankfully, I hauled up the first half. Jose hauled up the second half. We got it all loaded in the truck and trailer and got all of that off of the property on day 2. So for day 3, all we had left was the framing, really, and the floor. Again, my mom called that morning, and I jokingly said to her, "Are you coming over to help today?" And she's like, "Well, actually, we are. And what are we bringing?"
More coffee.
All right, everybody. Reinforcements today again. This time we have my dad over here removing nails from a board, and we have my beautiful mother helping out. So we are cranky. We gotta get done with this baby today. Yes. All right. Woohoo! Now get back to work. I am. It was so nice. Mom helped me haul the wood up the hill so we could keep, when you're working on a project, it's really nice to keep your workspace clean. So we were able to haul up all the wood, load it into the truck and trailer as we worked all day. And Dad helped remove a bunch of the boards, and we got the main frames down that day. And Jose and I, after my parents left, started removing the floor. I hate to say it, but it's time for the reinforcements to leave.
It's been a long day.
All right, we'll see you guys later. Come on, Jose.
Yeah. I'm out of here.
No, not you. Me and Jose are leaving.
Oh,
You guys have to stay and work.
Oh, no.
But I knew we weren't going to get done.
No.
No. We were so tired after 3 days of work. By the end of the day on Wednesday, we had no energy left. I think we got through about half of the floor, and I said to Jose, let's just clean up. We got to get out of here. So Thursday, we came back for a 4th day, and amazingly, my parents said, we want to come and help again. So they came out for a couple hours in the morning, brought us a Starbucks, which it's so much nicer to work when you've got a little bit of caffeine running through the system. And we got everything done that day. We had to haul 2 loads of wood. What do you think?
Well, I think over.
Removal of the world's largest doghouse is done. Okay, so end of the day Thursday, Jose and I were done. We were checked out. We got the property cleaned up. We got everything out of the way. We came home, pulled the truck and trailer into the garage, and we said,
no more.
No more. We took the rest of the afternoon. I think we got home at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
We just relaxed and kind of spent a quiet day. So Jose, what did we do on Saturday?
Reorganize again.
We organized the garage again because we had gotten all the wood that we have on the property organized and put away in the garage. And now we had a garage full of wood and roofing and fencing. So we had to once again get it organized. Jose, what are you burning there?
El resto de la madera vieja.
Yeah, the old wood from the doghouse. Jose and I spent the day yesterday organizing the wood from the doghouse. And you can see everything we have here. The only things we didn't bring up were the majority of the 2x6s. We have a big pile of 2x6s downstairs and any plywood. But pretty much everything else came up here. So what we have are a ton of rough sawn 2x4s. So that's these guys here. We have all of these 2x6s that were for the roof framing, and they are really long and in pretty good shape. And more rough sawn 2x4s. Here we have 14 pieces of this roofing material, which is incredible stuff. And I think it's 10 feet long. Yep, and then these are the peak of the roof. And then we have all of these 1x10s and 1x12s. These are little pieces that were on there. But we have longer boards over there, more 2x4s. And then over here, we have even more 2x4s. We have some 1x4s and 1x6s, I think. And then more of these 1x10s and 1x12s. And then you can see we got some small pieces of roofing material here that we'll be able to use. Again, probably 14 sheets. Those are about 3 feet long. Jose, what is that?
A little frame.
It is, it's a little shelf. I love, this is probably my favorite thing that we found in the doghouse teardown, is this little shelf frame that somebody built, and we are going to use it. I think we're going to put some pictures in it and actually turn it into a picture frame. But super cool. Well, thank you for watching today.
Thank you.
Jose and I are small farmers up here in the UP. So if you are a Yooper and you love Yooper culture, if you are a farmsteader or a homesteader and you're looking for ideas, we hope you'll watch our channel. Jose and I have a great time. We have a lot of fun always.
Always.
Always. Again, we are Mac.
And Jose.
And we are the Yooper Farmstead.
Thank you for watching.